The coin market cap is used to summarize everything that is said in this movie. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to my station to get more XRP news and news about cryptocurrencies in general. Look at this now. The World Economic Forum agrees that XRP is a good coin. Cheyenne Sally, a digital member of the World Economic Forum, just recently said that XRP is a good coin because the market is going down. The internet made it possible for knowledge to travel around the world instantly and without any problems. Ripple does the same thing for value. Ripple wants to make big changes in how well money works, how fair it is, and how everyone can use it by using many technologies like blockchain and cryptocurrency. Ripple is also working on creating and allowing the future use cases that will lead to the growth of the new digital economy for people, businesses, and governments. The company has offices in New York, London, Mumbai, Singapore, Sao Paulo, Washington, D.C., and Dubai. Its headquarters are in San Francisco. Right now, the Bitcoin market is going through a correction, which means that the prices of many important assets are going down. Notably, the value of Bitcoin, the most famous cryptocurrency asset, has dropped below $93,000. This has caused the total value of the global cryptocurrency market to drop to $3.19 trillion. A member of the World Economic Forum praises how strong XRP is. One person who supports blockchain technologies and is a digital member of the World Economic Forum praised XRP for how long it has been around. This praise comes at a time when things are still very unstable. Salesy's comments come at a time when XRP is getting a lot of press for doing well, even though the market as a whole is going down. In the past week, Bitcoin went up by a small amount, 0.11%, while Ethereum went up by 9.38%. During the same time period, Solana has gone down by 2.66%, even though it is still going down. Price, even though these top investments haven't done very well lately. This persistence is shown by the fact that XRP stays above the $1.36 support level is really amazing. Notably, the price of XRP has stayed above $1 ever since November 16th, when it returned to its earlier level. Analysts think that XRP is using the area where it has support as a base for its comeback. During the bull run in 2.21, it hit its highest point, which is now the $1.96 resistance level in your next goal. Hey Saleh, he wrote about his thoughts in a post not long ago on X. He said that the presence of XRP and HBAR helped him get around the problems the market is currently facing. The person who is interested in blockchain technology has said that he does not have a lot of XRP in his wallet. Even though this was the case, Saleh still called XRP a good coin. His support is in line with how much he supports XRP and Hedera. Two things that he always talks about. This campaign and his support are the same. Approval of Saleh's unwavering support for XRP. It's interesting that the market expert said there would soon be an alt season if Bitcoin couldn't hit a new all-time high and kept trading in a narrow range. This guess was made more than a week ago. He thought that if Bitcoin lost its top spot, a lot of money would flow into other cryptocurrencies, which would push XRP and other cryptocurrencies to new highs. In the meantime, on November 21st, he talked about a few possible ways that Bitcoin's price could hit a major milestone. If Donald Trump became president and made coins tax-free, he thought that Bitcoin's value would go through the roof and reach more than $100,000. It might even reach $200,000 by the end of 2025. Saleh said that other cryptocurrencies like XRP were, and that ADA will greatly gain from policies like these. This possible rise was linked to Bitcoin hitting the $150 mark, which he thinks could make most of the top 30 altcoins reach their all-time highs. In an interesting turn of events, Bitcoin came very close to breaking through the 100,000 mark on November 22nd, hitting 99,000 before falling. Not long ago, Saleh said that XRP and HBAR would be very important to the future of cryptocurrencies in the US. Because of what they bring to the table. The American Crypto Act was the exact law he was talking about. He thinks that could set up rules that would make crypto assets tax-free. It's important to note that the Securities and Exchange Commission study showed how Chair Gensler's strict enforcement of rules affected the whole Bitcoin industry. There may not be as many statistics for the fiscal year 2025 because the new Trump government is thinking about reorganizing the SEC. There's a chance that the CFTC will be in charge of regulating cryptocurrencies. Eleanor Tourette, writer for Fox Business, wrote a story on Tuesday that said the Trump administration is thinking about giving the Commodities Futures Trading Commission a big role in overseeing digital assets. Chris Giancarlo, who used to be head of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission CFTC and could be a Trump nominee for CryptoSar, talked about how the CFTC regulates the digital asset market in the U.S. Personally, I believe that the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFT, could start overseeing digital goods as soon as Donald Trump takes office, as long as it had enough money and the right people in charge. There is an old idea that the Commodity Futures Trading Commission should have more power over digital assets. In June 2022, Senators Cynthia Lummis and Kirsten Gillibrand each gave an introduction to the Responsible Financial Innovation Act. The Securities and Exchange Commission, the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, and FTOC all work together to write a crypto bill that will set up full rules for the digital asset business in the U.S. It would be great for the cryptocurrency market in the U.S. if the CFT had more power to oversee things, rules were clearer, and the SEC stopped regulating by punishment. It looks like Paul Atkins, who used to work for the Securities and Exchange Commission as a commissioner, is in the running to be the next chair of the SEC. In her report on the race for SEC chair, Eleanor Tourette said that Atkins is seen as a strong candidate who can create a plan that encourages innovation. The price of XRP is changing, and many Republicans think that the agency lost touch with the gold standard. While President Gary Gensler was in charge, Gensler is stepping down as chair, and the agency is back to the gold standard after losing 1.6 on Monday. XRP lost 1.70 on Tuesday, November 26th. By the end of the day, it was worth $139, the same as the rest of the coin market, which lost 1.35%. Putting the overall value of all cryptocurrencies on the market at $3.110 trillion. Very important things will happen with Trump's choices for chair of the SEC. If the chair of the crypto industry supports lawsuits against crypto companies by the SEC, XRP might get closer to its all-time high of $1.81 in May 2021. The information given is not meant to be taken as trade advice. Any purchases made based on the information on this page are not the responsibility of the people who made them. Before making any investment decisions, you should definitely do your own study and talk to a professional who knows what they're talking about.